Welcome to our comparison of two popular motherboards, the ASUS ROG Strix B550-F Gaming and the Gigabyte B450M DS3H Wi-Fi. In this video, we'll dive into their specifications, features, and performance to help you decide which motherboard is the best fit for your needs. Let's start with a brief overview of each product. When it comes to pricing, the ASUS ROG Strix B550-F Gaming is priced at $159, making it a more premium option. In contrast, the Gigabyte B450M DS3H Wi-Fi is significantly more affordable at just $94. This price difference is an important factor to consider based on your budget and needs. The ASUS ROG Strix B550-F Gaming boasts advanced features such as PCIe 4.0 support, 2.5 gigabits LAN, and extensive RGB lighting options, making it ideal for high-performance builds. On the other hand, the Gigabyte B450M DS3H Wi-Fi offers essential features like built-in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, but lacks the advanced capabilities of its competitor. This makes the ASUS board more suitable for gamers and enthusiasts looking for cutting-edge technology. In terms of connectivity, the ASUS ROG Strix B550-F Gaming offers a wide array of ports including HDMI 2.1, DisplayPort 1.2, and multiple USB 3.2 Gen 2 ports, ensuring you have all the options you need for modern peripherals. Conversely, the Gigabyte B450M DS3H Wi-Fi, while it does include HDMI and USB ports, does not match the extensive connectivity options of the ASUS board, making it less versatile for users with multiple devices. In conclusion, the ASUS ROG Strix B550-F Gaming is a high-end motherboard ideal for gamers and PC builders seeking advanced features and performance, while the Gigabyte B450M DS3H Wi-Fi is a budget-friendly option that provides essential features for casual users. Depending on your needs and budget, either could be the right choice for you. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech comparisons.